I would like to make a toast to my beautiful little girl here. I don't even know what to say because it's just, the words are rushing through my head, but I just love you, as you know, and I'm so proud of you, all your accomplishments, and you know, under the circumstances, you did just fantastic, and we are so very proud of you. We wish you nothing but the best, because Tom is a lucky guy, and I think you are lucky with him. You know, he's just a wonderful young man, and can wait until May 21st. Be happy, and I'm here if you ever need anything, or you want to cry on my shoulder, or whatever. I'm here, and I love you, and I wish you nothing but the best.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.